In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account, so head over to github.com. Once you're on the site, input your username and password and click the Sign In button. This will take you to your GitHub homepage where the magic begins. Next, we'll navigate to the settings. In the top right corner of the GitHub page, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Settings. This will open up the main settings page, which has a lot of options. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Now that you're on the settings page, we need to find the section for your public profile settings. Scroll down a bit until you see something labeled Public Profile. This section is important because it involves how your profile is shown to others and sets the stage for the language settings. Keep scrolling down a little further, and you'll eventually bump into the Trending Settings section. This is where the language settings are hiding. It might take just a moment to get there, so don't rush yourself. Once you find it, you'll see an option labeled Preferred Spoken Language. Here comes the fun part. Click on that drop-down menu. You'll see a list of languages to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the options and find the language that you're most comfortable with or prefer to use. This is your chance to customize your GitHub experience to make it feel just right for you. Once you've selected your preferred language, don't forget to save your changes. Just below the drop-down, there's a button labeled Save Trending Settings. Click that, and voila! You have successfully changed the language on GitHub. It's really quite simple, isn't it? Changing the language settings can make navigating through GitHub much more comfortable, especially if you're collaborating with others from different language backgrounds. It's always great to have that flexibility. If at any point you ever want to switch back or change the language again, just follow the same steps. You can always return to your settings anytime, and it'll be just as easy to tweak your preferences as it was the first time. Thank you for sticking around until the end. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to stay updated on more tutorials like this one. I'm here to help you navigate through GitHub and make it work for you. Until next time, happy coding and enjoy using your newly customized